My beloved students, how are you? Most probably you are fine. I am Manish sir. Uh, I request all my beloved students, keep safe distance. Don't try to go outside for your safety. Stay at your home and concentrate on your study. It is the best time for you, for your study as well as for preparation for your job and other competitive exam. You have already seen that regularly I am taking the classes for you. Today I shall discuss about the road accident. This is a important topic. As a civil engineer, our main aim is how to protect our passengers, pedestrians, everybody when they will come out from the home. In respect of during the construction of road as well as in traffic planning also, always keep in our mind so that there should not be a hazardous condition in the roadside, as well as our aim should be how to minimize the road accident. Because every day lot of accidents are occurring, so in this respect this content is very important. There are changes of road accidents due to complex flow patterns of vehicular traffic, presence of mixed traffic and pedestrians. It is a really complex problem, and causes we shall discuss. What are the causes are there for the accident? Many reasons are there for a road accident. We can divide by two ways, mainly direct causes as well as indirect causes. Under the direct causes, we can tell that there is a pedestrian causes, then passenger causes. Due to the passenger, accident may occur. Due to the vehicular faults, there is a chance of accident. Then road condition, weather conditions, these all are the direct reasons. Another is weather condition. This is also the direct causes. There are some points related to indirect causes. Now first I shall discuss about the direct causes. Already I told you, one is the pedestrian. In the pedestrian, if we see the pedestrian, walkers, when they are walking over the roadside, they are also one reason for accident. First point is due to their carelessness. Sometimes people are walking or crossing the road along with the mobile phone. He is talking with his friends or father or mother, like that, without observing the vehicles. So it is one example of carelessness. Then another is another point is illiteracy. Though we are very much educated, but in the roadside sometimes we are very much illiterate. Illiteracy, not knowing the use of pedestrian signals. Sometimes we have seen over the roadside there is a red signal for the pedestrians. Don't cross the road. People are crossing the road, and even they are not follow the zebra crossing. You see in Agartala city, it may be a small city, but you have seen there is a lot of zebra crossings are there over the roadside. But just you see, you follow, pedestrians are not following the zebra crossing. Okay, this is another reason for accident. particularly from the pedestrian side. So mainly these zebra crossing, these points you can write down, crossing at other places than crosswalks. That means they are not following the zebra crossing. So in the pedestrians, under the pedestrians, we can write down the three reasons. One is carelessness from the pedestrian side, illiteracy, and crossing at other places than crosswalks. These are the points of pedestrians. Then another is passengers. Passenger also create the pressure to the drivers moving fast like that. Sometimes he is coming out from the house very late, but when he is catching the bus, after that he is pressurizing the drivers, you go fast, because he has to reach the office in time. So a lot of reasons are there. Say passengers, first reason is causing trouble to the driver, already I told you. Then another is making noise, joking, and diverting the attention of the driver. That means, say you are gossiping and you are singing a good song, then attraction of the driver will be diverted. Then there is a reason of accident, and for that passengers are responsible. Then another is projecting their body outside the vehicles. That means you are projecting your hands in the window of the buses or say any car. Okay, so this is another reason, projecting your body. Then another is getting down the vehicle from the wrong side. These are the reasons for accident due to the passenger activity. Then another is vehicle. The vehicle, say steering defect, brakes not in order, improper position of headlights, improper vision, driver's low sitting defects, maybe other construction defects. Lot of reasons are there due to for the vehicles. Then another is for the commercial vehicles, say loading not to in specification. Loading not to specification, say more loads vehicles are carrying. You have seen over the roadside, a lot of goods are carrying. Okay, not as per their specification they are taking. Due to that, accident may occur. Projection of the loadings, there is another reason. Another part is we are very much responsible for that. Say road condition. When we shall construct the road, obviously we have to follow the geometric design. Say particularly in the geometric design, already I discussed with you. Say when you particularly in the curve side, say super elevation or say extra widening, transition curve, everything we have to follow properly. Otherwise, there is a chance of accident, and we have to construct properly. When we shall construct, I am sure you are at the final year students. After few months, you will join in the department. You will work for your state, for our nation. You will work and follow all these things what we have already discussed in the class. You follow all these things when you will construct the road. Okay. So road condition. What are the reasons for accident? Surface being slippery. Then improper geometric design, like improper super elevation, cross section, radius of the curve, side distance, etc. Already I discussed. Something say light reflecting characteristics of road surface which disturbs the driver. You have to think all this matter. Another is what we have seen in many roads, outskirts of the city, even when roads are moving towards a national highway, roads are moving to the rural area, you will see in the roadside there is a improper street lighting. There is another reason for accident, improper street lighting. You just see all these things. Street lighting should be proper. Then another reason, these are all are the road condition, related to the road condition. Then another is weather condition. Weather, due to the winter season, I have seen a lot of accidents are occurring. Even in Tripura also, even in Agartala also, a lot of accidents are occurring during the winter season due to the foggy condition is a very important. During the winter season, if it is a foggy, you will be very much cautious when you will drive your vehicle. Okay, so it is an important reason for foggy weather. And during the rain time also there is a chance of accident. Sometimes if many of you are coming from Rajasthan or say Rajasthan, Punjab or like that, they are summer glare. We are in Tripura, we are not that type of feelings, summer glare. Due to the summer glare, sometimes drivers are very much discomfort, their feeling is very much discomfort. At that time also there is a chance of accident. These all points are related to the direct reason. Okay, now we shall discuss about the indirect reason. Indirect causes, say animals. When animals are crossing the road, at that time you will be very much cautious. Due to that, say when say cows, for example, say cow, when cow is crossing the road, don't try to cross the cow in the frontal part of the cow, because don't take it other way, because cow has no back gear. That means he cannot move in the backward direction. Always this cow will move in the frontal direction. So don't try to cross the cow in the front direction. You try to go in the back side. It will be the safer part. When you will see the dog when he is crossing, but it is safe from our side, because cow can move in any direction, just like a spring. Okay, so always keep in your mind when you will drive your vehicle. So animal is the another part for accident. Obviously it is not a direct, that's why it is a I kept in indirect causes. Then mobs or provocatability dressed people. Another is advertisement. It is another big issue for accident actually. Say in the roadside, say your say your favorite cricket player is say your Virat Kohli. So you have seen in the roadside, you are a driver, you have a personal car, say you are a driver, say you have observed there is a big advertisement of say your Virat Kohli, or say Sourav Ganguly, or say Sachin Tendulkar, like that. Say he is giving their advertisement with some say one say mobile advertisement, like that. That means particularly when you are driving in 80 kilometer speed, you have seen in the roadside there is a big say advertisement, and your favorite player is standing in the roadside, then your mind will be diverted for a moment. So that this is the another reason for accident. It is a indirect reason. So you will be very much cautious when you will drive. So there is a question in the express roadside whether we shall provide the install any advertisement board or not. It is a big question for us. Okay, so mainly these are the different reasons for road accident. Now how to minimize or prevention or measures? For that we are telling there are 3 E's, 3 E, capital E. First E means engineering measures. Second E, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, 3E. Within 3, by 3 E's, we can prevent the accident. First one is what I told is a engineering measures. Okay, through engineering measures, we can prevent the accident. Already I told, say geometric design, we have to provide some signboard, we have to provide in the roadside. Okay, roadside, say sometimes we are written in the roadside, somebody is waiting for you, like that. So there is a like a cautionary board. high speed, then there is a chance of killing. Like that, we are giving the advertisement in the roadside. Then already I discussed with you regarding the engineering measures. Then enforcement measures. There should be an enforcement measure. Say sometimes in the roadside we are giving don't move in more than 30 kilometers or 40 kilometers, but people are moving more than that speed. At that time, traffic police are sitting in the roadside with speedometer. So if you violate the rule, then police can it is punishable. Okay, so like that, enforcement measures should be there. I have given some examples. Say we can tell in different way. Say speed zoning, I told, this is called actually speed zoning. Then traffic signs and marking you have to follow. Then pedestrian control, traffic laws, channelization providing by lanes, traffic signals, control of parkings. You have to park in the proper places, like that. Okay. Then education measure. Then 3E. Last part is education measure. From the very tender age, we have to educate our students from the school life regarding this accident, and we have to educate the students as well as general people also regarding the sign, signal and everything. Okay, so there are 3 E's. First one is what I told, 3 E's. By 3 E's we can reduce the accident, or we can take the measure for road accident. Say first one is engineering measure, second one is enforcement measure, third one is education measure. 3E. Again I am repeating, 3E's means first one is engineering measures, second one is enforcement measure, third one is education measures. Okay, so on that respect I shall give some notes as well as some video. Today you should study all these things. If there is any query, you can ask me. Okay, so again I am telling you, don't go outside, stay at your home. You have now ample time for your studying, so you take preparation for your competitive exam also, because your exam is knocking on your door. After the exam, you have to go in the real field. You have to appear in the different examination. So it is the proper time. You have a lot of times now. So you study. After that, I shall give some notes from my side as well as some video. Okay. So today you will study whole day. You will study regarding the road accident. Okay, thank you.